Hey there, future investment gurus and savvy traders. Instead of the usual welcome back to the channel, let's dive straight into a question that's probably been swirling around your mind if you're looking to level up your trading game in 2025. In a world bursting with trading platforms, how do you choose between the contenders vying for your hard-earned capital? Specifically, how do two popular platforms, Ally Invest and Webull, stack up against each other in the ever-evolving landscape of online brokerage? That's precisely what we're going to dissect today. We'll put these two platforms under the microscope, examining their strengths, weaknesses, and unique features to help you make an informed decision about where to park your investment dollars in the coming year. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's acknowledge the seismic shifts we've seen in the brokerage industry over the past few years. The rise of commission-free trading has democratized access to the markets like never before, empowering a new generation of investors. Platforms like Webull surged in popularity, offering sleek mobile interfaces and a focus on active trading tools. Meanwhile, more established players like Ally Invest, known for their integrated banking services and more traditional approach, have had to adapt and innovate to remain competitive. So, as we navigate the complexities of 2025, which platform truly shines for your specific trading needs? Are you an active trader chasing short-term gains? Or a long-term investor prioritizing retirement savings? Perhaps you're somewhere in between, seeking a balance of both? These are the questions we'll be answering as we delve into a head-to-head comparison of Ally Invest and Webull. Let's kick things off by looking at the core of any trading platform, commissions and fees. This is often the first thing that catches the eye of any trader, and for good reason. Webull, mirroring the industry trend, proudly offers commission-free trading for stocks, ETFs, and options. This means you can execute trades without incurring per-trade fees, a significant advantage for active traders who make frequent transactions. They also don't charge for account maintenance or inactivity. However, it's crucial to be aware of potential fees for certain services, such as wire transfers or paper statements. Options trading on Webull involves a per-contract fee, which is a standard practice across many commission-free brokers. Ally Invest also offers commission-free trading for stocks and ETFs. Their options pricing is competitive, typically involving a base fee plus a per-contract charge. While they generally have low fees, it's always wise to review their fee schedule for any potential charges that might apply to your specific trading activities, such as certain account transfers or outgoing wire transfers. Winner, round one. It's a close call. For pure commission-free trading on stocks and ETFs, both are neck and neck. However, Webull's straightforward commission-free structure for these assets might give it a slight edge in perceived simplicity for some users. Next up, let's talk about trading platforms and user experience. The interface and tools a platform offers can significantly impact your trading efficiency and overall experience. Webull is renowned for its modern, mobile-first design. Their app is intuitive and packed with features, catering particularly well to active traders. You'll find advanced charting tools with numerous technical indicators, real-time market data, often with free Level 2 quotes, paper trading capabilities to practice strategies without risking real capital, and customizable watch lists. Their desktop platform mirrors much of the app's functionality, providing a seamless transition between devices. Webull also integrates social features, allowing users to connect and discuss trades, which can be a double-edged sword, potentially insightful but also prone to noise. Ally Invest offers a more traditional approach with both a web-based platform and a mobile app. Their platform is generally considered user-friendly, but it might not have the same sleek, cutting-edge feel as Webull. However, Ally Invest provides a robust suite of tools, including charting with technical indicators, market research, and educational resources. Their platform is well suited for both active traders and long-term investors, offering a balance of functionality and ease of use. A notable advantage of Ally Invest is its integration with Ally Bank, providing a seamless experience for managing both your banking and investment needs within a single ecosystem. Winner, round two. This round depends heavily on your trading style and preferences. Active traders who prioritize a slick mobile experience and advanced charting tools might lean towards Webull. Long-term investors or those who value the integration with banking services and a more traditional platform might find Ally Invest more appealing. It's a tie based on individual needs. Now, let's delve into the range of investments offered. The types of assets you can trade on a platform are crucial. Webull primarily focuses on stocks, ETFs, options, and cryptocurrencies. While their cryptocurrency offering has expanded, it's still more limited compared to dedicated crypto exchanges. They do not currently offer trading in mutual funds, bonds, or futures. This narrower focus caters more to traders interested in liquid, exchange-traded products. Ally Invest provides a broader range of investment options. In addition to stocks, ETFs, and options, they also offer mutual funds, with no transaction fees for many funds, bonds, and forex trading. This wider selection makes Ally Invest a more versatile platform for investors with diverse portfolios and strategies, including those looking to build a diversified long-term portfolio with fixed-income assets or mutual funds. Winner, Round 3. Ally Invest takes this round due to its more comprehensive range of investment offerings, catering to a wider spectrum of investor needs. Let's shift our focus to research and educational resources. Having access to quality information can significantly enhance your trading and investment decisions. Webull provides a decent selection of research and analysis tools, including real-time market news, analyst ratings, and economic calendars. Their charting tools are robust, allowing for in-depth technical analysis. However, their educational resources might be considered less extensive compared to some of the more established brokers. Ally Invest shines in this area. They offer a wealth of educational materials, including articles, videos, webinars, and interactive tools covering various investment topics, from basic concepts to advanced trading strategies. Their market research is comprehensive, providing insights and analysis from reputable sources. This strong emphasis on education makes Ally Invest a particularly attractive platform for beginners and those looking to expand their investment knowledge. Winner, Round 4. Ally Invest is the clear winner here, offering a more comprehensive and robust suite of research and educational resources. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.